last winters, I really fought the snow and uh, really been frustrated by it. Like, oh, it's like now I gotta wake up another 15 minutes early to go wipe off my car. But I was thinking about it, and it's only snows really from mid-December up until mid-March, which is a really small portion of the year, and might as well embrace it, enjoy it. You know, like when I woke up this morning, like I was like kind of excited. It's like the whole backyard was so much brighter with snow on the ground and so much prettier, so much better than if it's just cold and wet. I like, might as well embrace the snow. So that being said, I'm gonna go pick up pizza dough, and I'm gonna go. I'm gonna bring it home. I'm gonna make sausage and broccoli stuffed bread, and that's my plan for the day. Okay, so check it out. I got everything I need to make broccoli, sausage, stuffed bread, leftover sausage from last night, broccoli I steamed for 10 minutes, cheese, mozzarella, 4 cheese Italian, pizza dough, gonna use a little bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna need 2 egg yolks. Okay, so this is the final product. I don't know if this video is gonna do it justice. It tastes so good. This is my 3rd piece. Unbelievable. This is what I do for fun some nights. Get out the voodoo board, and then I'll turn on my Xbox, see what videos I can find, watch a lot of skate videos, watch a lot of music videos, watch the Joe Rogan podcast from time to time. There's some good stuff on there. Been watching more snowboard videos recently. So check it out. I got my winter reading list over here. So the top 3 I've actually read. I've read the beginning portions of all of these, the top 3. I haven't touched Laws of Human Nature yet. But this one, Stillness is the Key, I have like 80 pages left to go. It's pretty good so far. This one, Bringing Down the House. I was a huge fan of the movie 21, and I wanted to read the book just to see what was different, and I don't know. I thought it was a super cool storyline, and I thought it might be a different experience reading the book, and then crush it. This is a really short book. Just mostly thumbed through it. I haven't like read it like from the beginning or anything, but I thought it'd be a cool read. And then this one's cool. Oh, this months ago. I read The Laws of Power and The Art of Seduction. Those are both really good. It's by the same author. Hopefully this one will be as good as those other two.